Hi, in this video I am explaining how to draw the orthographic projections of given isometric drawing. So left side I am giving the reference of the drawing. First write the XY line. So write the first top view. There is three circles is there. First circle is 80 diameter. From the same point 60 diameter, and there is a hole inside this one, that is 30 diameter. Okay, so look at the top view. There is a rectangle shape. So what is the width of the rectangle? That is 80, 20, 20, 120, and height is given radius of 40, totally 80. So inside there is a parallel lines. From top view is not visible at a distance of 20. From both sides you have to give the 20. Okay, and these lines is not visible from the top view. Okay, so I will delete the both the dimensions. Okay, and make this line will be invisible line or dashes line. So now you can look at the hole at a distance of 50. Okay, so what is the diameter of hole? It is placed exactly at the center. So what is the dimension of the hole? That is 32 circle. Okay, so I am writing the axis line. Okay, so take a axis line should be 0.13 thickness or 0.25 thickness, and make a from the center 32 dimension is given. So both sides from the center will be 16 and 16. Okay, upwards also you have to give 16, and downwards also you have to give 16 dimension of offset. So totally you will get the 32 dimension. Okay, so now trim the line. How much it will be visible from the left end line to the parallel line? 20. Okay, so that's why you have to trim the remaining thing. Remaining all line you have to trim it. So only this much is visible, and deleting the dimension also. Okay, see, this is the extra line, only this is visible. So this is also not visible from the top view. Okay, and you have to select these lines, press Ctrl and select all 4 lines. Okay, and make the line type will be second one, dashes line. Okay, so this completes the top view of the diagram. Okay, so here a lot of lines will come, that's why I am not showing the total dimension. Okay, only small dimension I am showing here, right? So next I am projecting to the front view. Okay, so take the projection, this will be 0.13 thickness of line. So projection to the front view. So here in the front view there is a section part is given, the line S. You can look at the reference diagram. Line S is the section of the front view. So I will start from the bottom of the section line. You can look at the up to here. There is a 40 I am taken, the radius, then remaining 50. Okay, you will at the top of the point, then the width is again 20. Left side you will get the circles, distance is upwards 20. The second circle is 60, the distance is 10. Okay, again downwards the distance is 20. Okay, next you have to go through the hole. What is the distance of hole? Okay, you have to take 15, because 60 minus 30 is 30, both sides 15 15. Thickness of the circle is 15. Okay, and come back this one. Okay, then you don't know the distance of the remaining thing, that's why you have to start from the bottom line. Okay, so choose the bottom line up to the parallel line. How much it is given? 20 distance. Okay, so start from the bottom line, take the left side, 20 is given, right, and height, okay, so totally 90 is there, 90 minus 15 is 75. So type 75 and 90-degree angle. Then join to the end point, right? This is the half of the diagram of cutting section. Next, so take the axis line, vertical line from the center will help to write the remaining diagram. Okay, after this you have to do the hole. In the front view also it is not visible, so you have to draw the hole. Okay, don't select the diagram, you have to draw the hole from the bottom line. So the distance is given, that is 24, and after this the hole diameter is 32. Okay, so type it and enter 32. The hole diameter 32, from the bottom it is 24. Okay, I am deleting the dimensions. So now select the whole diagram, and here also I am writing the axis line, horizontal axis. Okay, so select the diagram and go for mirror option. Go for mirror option. Select the central axis. You will get the another side of the diagram directly. Need not to write here. Join the remaining lines. Okay, select these lines and make a straight line. Okay, now this is a section part. You have to hatch the what is the cut section. So hatch the part, this one. So this completes the front view of the given diagram, sectional front view of the given diagram. So next you have to go for sectional side view, that is right side view. Okay, then how to write the sectional right side view? From the top view you have to go for the 45-degree line. Press tab and give the 45, or you can give the total angle 225 according to some distance, right? So project it. What are the lines we needed from the top view? Okay, project that one. First, outside line is very important. Outside line first you have to project it, right? Up to 45-degree line horizontal, after that it will be vertical line. Okay, so then don't use the 0.5 thickness. Here you have to, projection will be 0.13. So now you have to write the outside line. Look at the side view. So base will be U shape and the top will be rectangle. So take the reference up to here and draw it and complete this part. Okay, bottom it will not rectangle, it is a U shaped, that is semicircle. Semicircle. Okay, I will use the extend command and extend the this one axis, horizontal axis. From the center of this line you have to draw the circle, that is hole is visible, 32 diameter hole is visible from the side view. So that's why you have to, from the center you have to draw it. Okay, so this is a full line, full axis line, that's why I am trimming this one. So use the trim command and trim this one, you will get the center point. Okay, use the circle. From the center you have to draw the diameter 32. Okay, so after this you have to use the arc by center point. Again from the same point to the end point draw the semicircle. Okay, now the side view is looking like upwards will be rectangle, downwards will be hemisphere. Okay, this is the cut section. You have to follow the line R. line R. So how it is visible? Upper circle, and if you cut this one, you will get the two parallel lines. So that's why I have to write the axis line also. You can take the distance from the center. Take the line command, and the distance of the circle 80 minus 60 is 20. Both sides will be 10. So take a distance from one end point. Okay, and the thickness is 20. Okay, and you have to join to the center, but the whole total distance is 30 and 30. So total distance 60. Second circle is 60. Okay, 30 and 30 you have to take it both sides. And join to the up line. Okay, so now we have to draw the hole. You have to draw the inside hole. So what is the hole diameter? 30. So from the center it is 15. Okay, and upwards the thickness up to the line, and this side also 15. Draw this one. Okay, and take the reference line and delete. Next you have to fill the hatch section. Okay, so this completes the front view, top view and side view. Thank you.